Vintage aesthetics often rely on nuanced color grading, and split toning is a perfect tool to achieve that nostalgic feel. How to create vintage split-toned photos. Launch Photoshop and open your image on a canvas of about 2,000 pixels. Convert the layer to a smart object for safe editing. Apply a gradient map adjustment with soft yellow-orange highlights and muted teal shadows. Adjust the midpoint slider for smooth transitions, ensuring the vintage effect feels natural. Lower opacity to reduce intensity if necessary. Use layer masks to selectively tone areas such as background or skin. Enhance depth with a curves adjustment layer.